claro. Escriba su nombre aquí, por favor. Morning. Beautiful day. So the plan for today is get some work done, get the videos out the door. Currently at the McLennan hut video, and that's just taking ages. Then we need to head into Invercargill, get some more supplies because we're running low on pretty much everything. And on the way there we want to visit the INO, which is a shipwreck here. So that's the plan for today. I do need to say though that the sandflies here are on another level. Not only at night and dinner time, but also in the morning. It's just ridiculous. Let's quickly go to the shipwreck and have a look because it's low tide in a couple of minutes. So we should actually be able to see it. Where? Where is it? It's pretty much low tide, isn't it? I feel like I'm about to get spooked. That did not really go as planned, did it? Looking it up, this is all there is, remains. Just a couple logs that you see at low tide. Okay, let's head to Invercargill. So we just came back from the New World, but they didn't have any sourdough bread. So I asked the cashier, and she didn't know the name, but she drew me a map. Fat Bastards Pies, and there's a firehouse somewhere, and the bakery's here. So these are the Fat Bastard Pies. The left here somewhere, after the firehouse. So I think this is the firehouse. It's not a bakery. Shop. Bakery beyond, there you go. Didn't have any, but got myself a pie. They recommended another shop, which is shut at the moment. So now let's head to J-Car. I want to get a cigarette lighter extender. It is a mission to get sourdough bread down here. I got the recommendation to get to Coupland's, but all they had is spicy fruit loaf. So I decided to just treat myself with an Afghan jumbo. I tried to find sourdough bread in 4 shops now. The New World, the bakery, the second bakery, and here. It's just doesn't exist. The plan now is to get to Winton and stay there for a couple of days to fix a couple of things in the van and get some work done, some videos done, and then eventually come back down to Invercargill to catch the ferry to Bluff to Stewart Island once my body is rested enough, because I'm still feeling that left knee a little bit and I don't want to stress it too much. So Winton. Right, we're back from our shopping spree and let's go through the yield. So we've got two bags, dry bags for hiking. I hope that's big enough for the sleeping bag. We've got a tiny compass with a magnifying glass, tiny screwdriver, millimeters, inches, can opener, a couple ratchets. So this is a socket, and we want to put the socket just over here so we can plug in the charger and charge things here. And also we got a 3 extension lead, which will then go outside even. And then we've got some washing stuff to make our active gear a little bit more water repellent. Some more gas. The video is exported and I'm hungry. So today's recipe is a bean dip, but in order to dip it with something, we're gonna have some potatoes. So let's chop some potatoes first and then I'll show you the recipe. Okay, so the first step is to chop an onion. Okay, the second step is to drain and wash a can of beans. Okay, the next step is to saute the onions. Very important step. Put the beans on a cutting board and touch the board, and then the beans will arrange themselves in a shape. Okay, let's throw the beans in. Then we want to add a teaspoon of cumin and some garlic. I'm not wasting my time chopping, I'm buying this shit. And a teaspoon of brown sugar. But we don't have that, so we're gonna use honey. I'm gonna add a bit of water. Of course we want some pepper and some salt. After that we want to add a healthy amount of our favorite hot sauce. A bit of water to make it all soupy. Then it says on the recipe to put some cheese cubes in, but it didn't specify the size, so we've got some 2mm cubes, and we've also got some 5mm cubes and some 17mm cubes, and of course the 38mm cubes. Trying it. Good. Just realized that during this cooking the spatula absolutely annihilated. But I wanted to get a wooden spoon anyway. And to cut the second half of the Maclaren pub, I'm gonna have a tea. This is one of the new ones, the lemon ginger manuka, blended in New Zealand. Should be enough. A lively, naturally caffeine-free blend of organic lemongrass, ginger and native manuka leaves. Sounds promising, hey? I've put the tea to brew in that towel, and then I wanted to clean up that water. From here, oh nice, the towel, and I pulled it, and now everything is very tea. Beautiful. Alright, let's brew some tea. Now this is why we got the extension cord, so we can charge over here and we can sit there with the tea here and work. Let me show you. Alright, we are all snuggled up, ready for bed. It is just after 11:30. Just edited some videos, but I'm getting tired, so good night.